Hi guys, I see you joined me here on this quick tutorial that we did on attraction marketing. Now, as we know, attraction marketing is part of advertising. We see advertising around us every day. We see it online, we see it on TV if you watch TV. We see it on billboards, we see it in magazines, in the paper. There's always some form of advertising everywhere we go. So why not get involved in learning how that attraction marketing tip and skill is paying off for all the big guys, you McDonald's, Macy's, Bloomingdale's, Nordstrom's, not to mention your grocery stores, Albertsons, if you have that in your town, or Walmart. Everybody's got a Walmart around. It's all attraction marketing. And what attraction marketing is, friends, is sharing what they have that you need, whether it be a product or a service, like they have tire service. They're giving you the opportunity to get your oil changed or whatever you need to do to your vehicle. It's all attraction marketing. And when you learn these skills, and they're not all simple skills, they are skills that you have to hone and learn. And when you do, these are skills that can take you as far as you want to go in your income. And I know we're going to talk a little bit about income here on this ending of this wonderful presentation I put together for you, is because the bottom line is, let's be real, we all want a residual income. We all want an income that we can rely on, that we can use to our benefit. Because let's face it, the government, the world's in the trash. We need to be able to build an income where we are in control, not having to worry about getting laid off or getting fired or whatever the situation might be. I know that sounds dire and people aren't used to hearing me say those things, but today it is a reality. We have to be aware of ways we can work online to benefit ourselves and take care of our families. Why not? Attraction marketing is actually the key. You can go out there and market anything you want, but if people aren't seeing what you're marketing, if they're not seeing what you're offering, if they're not seeing the skills you're offering, or if they're not seeing what you're doing, maybe you're offering a service, whether it be a product or a service, it's the same thing. Attraction marketing, it's all out there. Hospitals are always out there advertising. You see so many commercials out there for pharmaceutical. What is that for? It's attraction marketing. They tell you what's wrong with you and they tell you they have a solution. Same thing we do here at MLSP. We know what your problem is and we have a solution. And it's not all attraction marketing. There's a lot more involved. I'm just doing this little skit here today to get you involved and get you on board and say, hey, you know what? I need to learn some skills to work from home. I need to learn the skills to have an income that's coming in, to take care of my family, to take care of me, to take care of, what I need and what my family needs. So learn these skills. And like I said in the presentation, these skills will last you a lifetime. It's not a one-time deal and you're done. You can use these skills, hone them to your own personality, do what you want to do, but these skills will last a lifetime. I've been using these skills for years. I have a great income. I have a great life. And you can have the life you choose to have too. Again, it's all in how you present yourself. It's all in the skills you learn. And not just that, the skills you use. If you're not using those skills, how are you going to put them to work for you if you're not using them? We can help you with that too. Okay? I hope you enjoyed this presentation. And again, be sure you like, share, and subscribe. We look forward to seeing you inside of MLSP.